Ah, got done with live chat. It's been a day. It's a Monday. Got my water ready. And today we're gonna try the citrus mint green. So this has green tea, spearmint leaves, lemongrass, lemon verbena, orange, marigold flowers, natural lemon flavor, and natural orange flavor. I hope this is nice and refreshing. It's a green tea. Ooh, it smells like spearmint gum. Just the first sniff. Oh, it smells so good. It really smells like spearmint gum. Oh, it is really pretty. It's very green and yellow. If it tastes like spearmint gum, I don't think I'm going to be angry. How long does this take? 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, well, I do have a big honkin' tea mug. My mother was amazing, and she found a set of tea mugs in Florida from, I guess, Pawpaw Pottery at the Cracker Barrel. And she got tea mugs for us, me and Kevin. I am so happy. This is the right size mug for me. This is perfect. I'm so happy. It's beautiful. I could not have asked for a better one. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Big, heavy, giant pottery mug. Okay, I don't even have my stuff ready. I am that disorganized right this second. Ooh, there's some leftover bits from what didn't get washed out, okay? Oh, God, come on, there we go. Guess I missed a couple of leaves. Let's do this. So I found pouring it out. Oh, God, it's just like strips of grass. Okay. Woo! They are very long strips, and here's some sticking out. Gotta push that in. Come on. I'm probably just gonna have strips. Do you want to smell it, Orion? Ooh, interested. Apparently that's a good smell. Okay. That's funny, Orion does not mind the smell of that one. Oh, that cup is so big that nearly disappeared. Very well. Let's do the pouring. I should not burn my hand with this one. Oh God, I'm just so happy to have a giant mug. And it's white on the inside, so I can see the color. Oh, it's so pretty. It is definitely taking on a greeny color right away. And we'll be back in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. It's done. I'm sorry you guys are shaking, but alright. I am fully aware that my mug is super big right now, and I might not have the right amount of loose leaf tea to properly flavor it, but we will see. We will see. Let me get that bowl. It smells beautiful. It honestly just smells like spearmint. And it is quite hot, so probably gonna burn my tongue a little, but that is really pretty. It's a nice green color. It's a nice tea green. Ow. Yep, I just landed on my leg. That's hot. Ooh, it's really hot. Oh, it smells so good. It's very spearminty. It reminds me of spearmint gum. Definitely. You know, I want to enjoy this. I'm gonna let this cool down for probably 5 minutes. We'll come back. I don't wanna. Yeah, it's really hot. I'm gonna be smart and let that cool down, and we'll come back in about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I cannot wait anymore. I want to drink this tea. Please don't taste like grass. Please taste good, even if it's just spearmint. I really am not smelling citrus at all. I just smell spearmint. It is still really hot. It tastes like spearmint. Yeah, it's just spearminty. There's no citrus that I'm even detecting. Definitely no smell of it. There's no taste of it. My air conditioning is going to be going on and off. It's summer and I'm not apologizing for it. And those are sculptures in the oven. Those are done. Yeah, it's like I can definitely taste green tea and spearmint. I'm not mad. I'm really not mad at this. It tastes nice, but there is no... It does say citrus mint. It's supposed to have lemongrass and lemon verbena and orange flavor and lemon flavor. I'm not detecting any of that. And honestly, I haven't sweetened it yet. You guys have seen, or you haven't because I've been away for 5 minutes. Anyway, I have not sweetened this yet. And it's fine. It tastes fine. This is the third tea I've had, I think, that tastes good unsweetened. Yeah, I'm not detecting any citrus, but I like this as it is. And it doesn't seem very weak with the bigger cup and the amount of tea I put in the infuser. I tried to put a little bit more in, but I can only fit so much in that little round infuser. Alright, I have clay in front of me. I am seriously starting spoopy season. Okay. I have sugar. I'm not putting all this in. It's just my little container. That I'm keeping at the desk. So I don't have to get up every single night and get sugar. Little resealable Tupperware container. You're gonna go right there. I'm gonna lose you. Where did my spoon go? Alright. Let us stir. Sorry I'm not holding it. I was not, I didn't calculate for the mug to be so heavy to hold. And I actually have a weak left arm from a horseback riding injury. And I re-injured that this past September. Yeah, I re-injured it in September. So it's much weaker, and it still tastes good, but I'm not detecting citrus. I'm not. Green tea, definitely. Spearmint, it's nice, sweetened. Future note to myself, I can add a little more sugar since this is a bigger container. I just put what I would normally put in. I mean, this is a nice, for me, winter tea. Or fall. I would definitely do this, especially if I have a sore throat. This is the one I would reach for. I mean, it's kind of medicinal without being medicine-y, but it's like a reminder of being medicinal, if that makes sense. I just... Maybe... Hold on. It's like an aftertaste, like, you just saw me like all over my mouth. It's like an aftertaste of lemon. Like adding honey and lemon to your tea. And it's not very strong, but there is definitely, like, I can kind of taste it in my throat. Like a lemony, honey and lemon taste. And I only put honey in my tea if I'm actually sick. Or when I used to perform, I would eat a spoon. I hate honey, personally. I don't like it. But, it's like an aftertaste of lemon in my throat, like a honey and lemon combination. This is not bad. I like this tea. I like this tea unsweetened. Hi, Orion. But it is mostly just spearmint, honestly. And green tea. I really like it. I'm not like bashing this. It's good, but I expected more citrus. I expected like actual citrus balancing with the mint. But I like this tea. I think it's nice. I'm not saying anything bad about it. It's just not citrusy. Except for that aftertaste. Now, I am going to end up drinking this as I work. It's gonna cool down. Sometimes tea's flavor profile changes as it cools. And if that happens and a more citrus scent flavor comes out, I'll update this. But for the moment, it is essentially spearmint in green tea. And just like a little lemon honey aftertaste. It's not bad. I actually really like this. This is very comforting tea. It smells so good. It smells like spearmint gum. It's so nice. I wish you could smell this, honestly. But I'm not really detecting citrus mint. Mint green tea, yes, but not citrus mint. Just that little honey lemon aftertaste. It's odd, but it's a good tea. I like this tea. I will definitely be reaching for this. And depending on how sick I am in the winter, I will most likely be ordering more to at least keep on hand. Oh, apparently I really like spearmint. Yeah, I like it. It's good, but at least hot. And unless I update this, there's not really a citrus flavor profile except like a lemon honey aftertaste in the back of my throat. Honestly, that's it. I don't even detect orange in the slightest. But I like this. It's good. Yummy. Yummy.